Maison Alto is marketed as a Quebec fashion and footwear store selling stylish orthopedic shoes and comfort-focused fashion products. But the real question is it actually a trustworthy Quebec store or another questionable online shop using trendy branding and heavy discounts? Now, to be fair, some smaller online fashion stores are legitimate, and Maison Alto does appear to operate through a real e-commerce setup with payment processing and active checkout systems. What it does well, the website looks professional. Maison Alto uses polished branding, clean product photography, and a modern Shopify storefront that makes it appear more credible than many obvious scam sites. Focuses on comfort and orthopedic-style footwear. The store markets products around foot comfort and pain relief, which is a real category many shoppers actively look for, where it raises concerns. Very low trust scores. This is one of the biggest red flags. Scam detection services rate Maison Alto as highly suspicious, with warnings tied to low reputation scores and blacklist detections. Limited independent customer history. There is very little verified long-term customer feedback proving consistent delivery quality, reliable service, or authentic Quebec brand operations. Possible dropshipping patterns. The store shows several signs commonly associated with risky dropshipping shops: aggressive discounts, generic branding, copied-looking marketing language, and products that resemble widely available marketplace items. So, is Maison Alto real or fake? Short answer: it appears to be a functioning online store, but there are enough warning signs that shoppers should be very cautious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.